Welcome to Weekly Rewind. This week, I stayed close to home for my wanderings. I enjoyed walking to Lancaster Township Park, where many birds were busy looking for food. I also spent time at Noel Dolwart Park, watching the birds waking up to start their day by making their way up and down the tree trunks. Watch to the end to see the phases of the moon from my balcony, along with some of the wildlife in my yard. I hope you enjoy watching this video highlighting my week. Don't forget to let me know if you have any favorite part of this video. Did you see any interesting wildlife this week? Is there any wildlife in this video that you'd like to learn more about? Don't forget to let me know in the comment section. I've included links to videos from my archives that I think you'll enjoy. Be sure to check them out if you have the time. Thanks for watching.